from kids doing things in the park to this stage we are at right now. And look, what's on the screen is testimony of what I'm saying. The next fight is legendary. It's Dhruv Chaudhary versus Sanjeev Pudwar.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the co-main event of the evening? Delhi, make some noise for the silent killer, Sanjeev Pudwar!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the co-main event of the evening. We are right here at Cityfort Auditorium in the fight capital. This is Matrix Fight Night 8, and we can see Sanjeev Pudwar, the silent killer, making his way to the cage. Dhruv couldn't continue because he was sick, he had diarrhea. However, he still stepped up to fight. This is the time for a rematch. Wins. So far, he's got 6 wins in his career.
Sanjeev Pudwar! And his opponent, making his way to the cage, Dhruv Psycho Chaudhary!
Alright, Dhruv the Psycho Chaudhary makes his way to the cage, representing Matrix Gym, trained under Mike Martins. The shrine at Matrix Fight Night. In the last bout, he defeated Sumit Khare at MFN 7. Now this bout is actually a rematch.
दोनों फाइटर्स ने और भी बहुत सारी फाइटें खेली हैं, तो अब देखना ये है कि अब जब ये दोनों दोबारा केज में मिलते हैं तो किस तरह के धमाके होते हैं। और मुझे लग रहा है आज यहाँ दिल्ली में श्रीफोर्ट स्टेडियम में कुछ ऐसा होगा जो हमारे दर्शक कभी भी नहीं भूलेंगे। फाइट की अगर बात करें तो ध्रुव के पास एडवांटेज है।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the co-main event of the evening. And now, fighting out of the blue corner, he weighed in at 65.6 kilograms, representing Haryana. Give it up for Sanjeev Pudwar! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 65.9 kilograms, representing Uttar Pradesh. Make some noise for Dhruv Psycho Chaudhary!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the action? This is the co-main event. Bout is actually a rematch, and Dhruv is here for a revenge. I'm sure he's here to deliver what he couldn't. Oh, what a kick!
एक ही किक ने संजीत को गिरा दिया। क्या बात है, ये किक है कि बम का गोला है।
Exactly, and that is going to get. Oh, another one!
Sanjeev
बहुत
throws a
टाइम किया
big
right hand.
टाइमिंग राहुल, उस राइट हैंड के पीछे थी टाइमिंग।
Whoa! The heat's building up. Both these guys trying to wrestle each other, throw those punches.
ताकत की अगर बात करें तो इन खिलाड़ियों का पूरी दुनिया में शायद ही कहीं मुकाबला होगा।
Both the fighters are conditioned.
वो दिन चले गए जब लोग बोलते थे इंडियन एमएमए इंटरनेशनल एमएमए से पीछे है।
Manan, what we've been watching, what we've been. Oh, another one!
एक और लेग किक और उसके जवाब में राइट ओवरहैंड खूबसूरती से।
Dhruv throws in a big right hand.
और ध्रुव ने हल्का सा अपने नाक को हाथ लगाया, शायद चोटिल हुए हैं किसी पंच से।
Oh, Sanjeev throwing in a kick here. Oh, misses the big right hand by Dhruv. Dhruv with knees. He's got an amazing clinch in. If Dhruv can pull it off here in the clinch, it's going to be good. However, both the fighters are standing at the moment. Manan, look at the way these guys are swinging for the fences.
Full power, look at that. With every shot they're looking for the kill.
What a body lock takedown, man. That's so technical.
ये खतरनाक हो सकता है संजीत के लिए। ध्रुव ने ग्राउंड गेम पे बहुत काम किया है पिछले कुछ महीनों में और यहाँ पे संजीत के लिए रहना खतरे से खाली नहीं है।
I think finally Dhruv is settling for his ground game. He's got one hook in. He's trying to put the other hook in. However, both the fighters are now back on their feet. Oh,
what
nice
a tactic! Foot stomp, बहुत ही बढ़िया। ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें MMA में आपको एक अच्छा कोच ही बता सकता है। फुट स्टॉम्प, शोल्डर स्ट्राइक्स, ये बहुत बढ़िया स्ट्रेटजी अपना रहे हैं यहाँ पे ध्रुव। और ये देखिए नी स्ट्राइक्स, इतने सारे और तरह के स्ट्राइक्स होते हैं।
Look at the way Sanjeet is throwing those elbows.
बिल्कुल, एल्बो स्ट्राइक्स, एक एल्बो स्ट्राइक ऐसा काम कर सकती है कि आप फाइट खेलने लायक ना बचें।
Yeah, Sandeep's doing a good job, guys. Great defense, but Dhruv takes him down one more time. This is where Dhruv wants to be. Sandeep doesn't have too much experience on the ground. He's much more of a striker. This is Dhruv world here. If Sandeep can get this back on his feet, that's where he wants to keep the fight.
Those punches are definitely doing the damage.
बहुत बढ़िया स्ट्राइकिंग, बहुत बढ़िया। सबसे बढ़िया चीज जो ध्रुव यहाँ कर रहे हैं कि वो अपनी ग्रैपलिंग और स्ट्राइकिंग को परफेक्टली मिक्स कर रहे हैं। कोई भी ऐसा सेकंड नहीं होता जब ध्रुव मार नहीं रहे हो।
Yeah, he's got a good control with the legs. He's holding the position, and then he's working those strikes. Now he's slowly going to work for the choke. Be very patient, very calm, very technical, even though he ate a lot of shots.
बिल्कुल जेसन, और ये देखिए एक ही सेकंड में जैसे ही मौका मिलता है वो स्ट्राइक भी करते हैं बीच में।
Dhruv here trying to attempt a rear naked.
Sandeep wants to spin and turn. He wants to explode and spin and turn. Staying there is not doing anything. He really can't see where those punches are coming from. And there you go. One mistake. Dhruv sinks in the choke. And there you go. It looks like it's tight. I think this fight's going to be over unless he passes out. Looks really close.
क्या बात है।
Sandeep's a fighter, man.
आग लग गई है
He'll
यहाँ।
probably pass out before he tags. Whoa! What an escape. Pure will. Pure, and that's exactly what. Well done, Sandeep. That's what he needed to do. Now he's on top. Good. Dhruv maybe got tired in that exchange.
कमाल हो गया, कमाल। संजीत अब ध्रुव के ऊपर है। कैसे वो उस रेयर नेकेड से बचे और इस कंडीशन में आए।
Sandeep's got to be careful of the up kicks. He's got to be real careful. He should kick Dhruv. He should. Yeah. Nice try. He's on a mount. He's got to be careful now.
20 seconds. Well, this may be. Oh, wow. Look at
nice elbows. 10 seconds left.
बहुत ही खतरनाक पोजीशन में आ गए हैं ध्रुव।
What a great fight. Great skill from both fighters. Great heart from both fighters. This place is on fire. I'm so excited. This is one of the best Matrix fight nights ever.
Well, yes, the place is on fire. And look at the way these fighters have been igniting a lot of... Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the co-main event of the evening. Welcome to Matrix Fight Night 8 once again. We've got Dhruv Chaudhary. Round 2 begins.
पलक भी मत झपकना क्योंकि आप एक्शन मिस कर देंगे। ये है मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 8, ध्रुव चौधरी वर्सेस संजीत बुधवार।
Both the fighters trying to assess the distance here. Let's see who connects the first one. Whether Dhruv throws in a kick or Sanjeet throws in a big right hand. Don't blink, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be absolutely lit. Both these fighters promised action and they've delivered right here at City Ford Auditorium at Matrix Fight Night 8.
The crowd is going crazy, we are going crazy, and I know people watching us live all over the country and abroad are going crazy too. This is one hell of a fight.
Oh, Sanjeet with those big dynamite hands. Dhruv here trying to breathe a little bit heavy. Oh, another big shot, a big body shot by Sanjeet.
क्या ये फाइट यहाँ खत्म हो सकती है? ध्रुव बहुत स्लो नजर आ रहे हैं और संजीत आगे बढ़ के वो नॉकआउट शॉट बार-बार ढूंढ रहे हैं। ऐसा लग रहा है संजीत अपना नॉकआउट शॉट ढूंढ रहे हैं।
What Dhruv needs to do is keep moving inside the cage. Otherwise, if he sticks to the one side of the cage, this could be over.
Oh my God, राहुल, ये खत्म हो सकती है फाइट। फाइट खत्म हो सकती है। बहुत ही खतरनाक लग रहे हैं संजीत बुधवार, ध्रुव काफी कमजोर लग रहे हैं। ये फाइट क्या खत्म हो जाएगी? क्या ये फाइट क्या खत्म हो जाएगी? यस यस, ये फाइट क्या खत्म होती है। संजीत बुधवार ने वो कर दिखाया है जो शायद बहुत ही कम लोग सोच रहे थे आज यहाँ स्टेज में पॉसिबल होगा। संजीत बुधवार ने दिखा दिया है व्हाट इट मींस टू बी एन MMA फाइटर।
मनन, संजीत ने एक बार दोबारा कर दिखाया।
Declaring the winner by TKO, Sanjeev